Okay, students, now consider the process of the simple distillations. Okay. Last video we have discussed about the simple distillations and setup of the simple distillations, which uses of the simple distillations. Uh, what is the simple distillation? The process in which liquid is first converted into its vapors and then vapor is back condensed into liquids is called simple distillations. And simple distillations are used for separate the volatile liquids from the non-volatile impurities and liquid which have the sufficient difference in their boiling points. Okay, also we have the seen the experimental setup figure apparatus used for simple distillations. Okay, now again see the apparatus used for the simple distillations. This is the apparatus used for simple distillations. The apparatus used for simple distillation is consist of round bottom flask. Side arm of the round bottom flask is connected to the condenser. Condensers round bottom flask is on placed on the water bath, oil bath, or even in sometimes in on the wire gauze. Okay, and this round bottom flask is heated to vaporizes the liquids, impure liquids. Okay, this is the experimental setup or figure. Okay, now consider the process of the simple distillation. The liquid to be purified is taken in the round bottom flask. This is called round bottom flask, and liquid which is to be purified is taken in the round bottom flask, and the round bottom flask placed on the water bath or oil bath or even wire gauze. Okay, and then round bottom flask is heated by using the burner. Round bottom flask, this is the round bottom flask, and round bottom flask is the heated using the burner. Okay, when temperature of the liquid reaches its boiling point, temperature of the liquid reaches to its boiling points, liquid start to boiling. When temperature of this liquid reaches to its boiling points and then liquid start to boiling, vapor of liquid rises up and go vapor of liquid this is vapor of the liquid rises up and enters into the condenser, which is connected to the side arm of the round bottom flask, and condenser is circulated by the cold water. Condenser is circulated by the cold water, and due to this uh, cold water vapor of liquid is cooled, and it is condensed into the liquid, and this purified liquid is collected into the receiver. Okay, so this is the process of the simple distillations. What is the process of simple distillations? लिक्विड टू बी प्युरिफाईड म्हणजे जे लिक्विड आपल्याला प्युरिफाय करायचं, इम्प्युअर लिक्विड दिलेलं असतं ते प्युरिफाय करायचं. तर लिक्विड टू बी प्युरिफाईड इज टेकन इन द राऊंड बॉटम फ्लास्क. ह्या राऊंड बॉटम फ्लास्कमध्ये आपण लिक्विड प्युरिफाय करण्यासाठी असलेलं लिक्विड घेत असतो. राऊंड बॉटम फ्लास्क इज fixed to the stand by with the clamp and placed on the water bath, oil bath. Okay, round bottom flask is heated with the using the burner. Okay, when temperature reaches its boiling point of the liquid start to the boils, and liquid is converted to vapor, and its vapor rises up and enter into the condenser, and condenser is circulated. Jacket of the condenser is circulated by the cold water, and this cold water cool the vapors, and it condense the vapor into liquid, and pure liquid is collected into the receiver. This is the process of the simple distillations. Again I can revise. This is the apparatus used for the simple distillations. Which is the apparatus used for simple distillation? Apparatus is consist of round bottom flask. Round bottom flask have the side arm is connected to the condenser condenser have the jacket. Condenser have the jacket, and jacket around the jacket, through the jacket cold water is circulated, and when round bottom is placed on the oil bath, water bath, and heated, vapor temperature of the liquid rises and it start to boiling. Vapor insert into condenser, and due to the cold water circulated through the jacket, it convert into back into liquid, and that liquid is the pure liquid. Pure liquid is collected into the receiver. Here the receiver. Okay, I hope you are understood.